Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create scrolling text animation using Figma. So without wasting time, let's see how to create it. So now here you can see we are inside the Figma project. So first of all we will drop the assets. So you can see we have dropped the assets now. And as I am focusing mainly on the prototyping part, I am not doing it from the scratch. And no need to worry, you will get all the files in the description below. So now here in this part we want to put our scrolling text animation. And as you can see, it's an UI which is based for food application or food delivery application. So we will write something related to it. So let's press T on our keyboard and drop a text. And here we will write something like homemade goodness. And let's change this weight to regular. Now let's duplicate it by pressing Option, as I am using Mac, and let's change it to anytime. Let's duplicate it again the same manner. We'll write something anywhere, and we will duplicate it again, and we will write the same thing, that is anytime. That's perfect. And why we have put anytime 2 times, that I will make you explain while I will be doing the prototyping. So I will select all and we will put it inside an auto frame layout by pressing Shift plus A. And now you can see it's inside the auto frame layout. Now by clicking the right mouse click, I will select frame selection, and I will drag and take it up to this much, and I will select clip content. That's perfect. Now I will duplicate it again. I will just do a single click and go inside the frame selection, that is the main frame, and by holding spacebar, by clicking and holding spacebar, I will just drag it upward like that. Perfect. Now I will duplicate it again and do the same thing. Perfect. Now you can understand why I take anytime 2 times, because when I'm scrolling it comes up, when I'm scrolling upward again it's coming up, and then we will instantly animate to this part. So we will not able to see that is changing or is going upward. So to make the flow very smooth, we are doing that part. So what we will do now, we will select all and we will click over here and we will select create component set. That's perfect. Now we will do the prototyping. We will select this one, go to prototype, just connect this one, and you can see we will select over here after delay 800 millisecond, and the rest part is almost great. Same we will do for this one after delay, and the rest part is good to go. And the last part, we select this one and go and connect with the top one. That is also same after delay, but here we need to change, which will be instant. That's perfect. Now we will go to assets over here. We will click over here, and you can see over here we got this one. We'll just drag and drop it over here. We will select both and again put it inside an auto frame layout. Let's take it to 10 and let's drag and drop it over here. Now you can change the color from here. Like if you want to change it to black color, just change it to black or something like. So its color got changed. And now if I want to change the color of this one, don't worry, just select all, select this one, boom, it also got changed perfectly. Now if you want to change the it to regular or something, you can do it. It's your call. And if you want to decrease it a bit, you can decrease it a bit. No issue with that. Like I want to keep it 0, I can keep it. Now if I just prototype it, you can see over here this animation popped over. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe and share with your friends who want to learn and get insights of latest prototyping UI tools and AI tools. And it's very helpful if you guys support me, keep supporting me, and your support makes me create more videos like that. So till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.